Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful or useful, be sure to hit that like button. Maybe leave a comment. It really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and there is a link in the description where you can check out the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? Hey guys, alright, as you can see next to me is a really cool entertainment center by a company called Somdot. It looks really nice. It has this nice wood top to it and base shelf, and then these nice fabric drawers. Putting it together was super quick and very easy. The instructions were very easy to follow, very clear. It included all the hardware and everything you need to assemble it, plus they also included a spare part of every item in case you had an issue. Overall, the install time took me just a little under 15 minutes. So really impressed with the way it came together. And then when it came together, it looks really nice. All the pieces are nice and flush. But yeah, so overall, we have on the top here, you have a shelf for a TV, and then you have a secondary shelf which you can use for decoration like I have here, or if you have like a Blu-ray player or a cable box, you can easily put that on this shelf. This TV, we just use streaming devices, and the little streaming boxes sit nice and comfortably on here. And then as far as the drawers, it's really surprising how much stuff you can fit in here. So my wife has a lot of purses, and so they all fit easily in this one drawer without any problems. And then the other drawer, we kind of have various other items that we need to store, like the remote controls. You can easily put movies in here. Basically any kind of knickknacks that you just don't want cluttered around. Now, it's also worth noting that if you are on an uneven surface or anything like that, the feet are fully adjustable, so you just need to slightly twist them until it is all nice and level, and you're good to go. But overall, it is a really nice, like I said, entertainment center. Can easily support up to a large TV. As you can see here, this one is kind of a more medium size, but overall, I'm really impressed with the quality and the sturdiness of it, and I'm really happy with this. It is totally an item that I would recommend. If there's something that I didn't cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those, and that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.